You could rename multiple files like this. Right click, rename, type, right click, rename, type, right click. Instead, open Microsoft Excel, type ren. In the next cell, type the file extension, including the dot or period. In the next column, enter the names of your existing files. In the next column, enter your new file names. In the next cell, type equals and concatenate. If you begin typing it, you should be able to select it from the list. After the open bracket or parenthesis, enter your first cell reference. Then press F4 to make that reference absolute, comma, open quotation marks, space, close quotation marks, comma, the cell reference with your first original file name, comma. Next, type your file extension cell reference. Press F4 to make that reference absolute, comma, open quotation mark, space, close quotation mark, comma, the first cell reference of your new file names, comma, the cell reference of the file extension. Press F4 to make that absolute. Close your brackets or parenthesis. Press Enter or Return on your keyboard. Select the cell with your formula. Copy it down for your remaining file names. Let's just expand that so we can see it in one cell. Open the folder that contains your files. Click the file path and press Ctrl and C to copy. Press Windows and R on your keyboard. In the Run window, type CMD and click OK to launch the command window. Type CD space and right click and choose Paste to paste in the file path you just copied. Press Enter or Return on your keyboard. Return to Excel and select the rows with your formula inside. Press Ctrl and C on your keyboard to copy. Return to your command window, right click and paste in those formulas. Then press Enter or Return on your keyboard. And your multiple files have been renamed instantly. Subscribe for more computer tips and hacks. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.